I've been saving this for you.
For me? What is it?
Take it. It's a very special treasure.
Wow, thank you, Grandpa.
You're welcome, my boy. You see, my boy, this bread is special.
Special? How?
It comes from the earth, the rain, and our hands.
Wow, I never thought of that.
That's the magic. See how peaceful they are, boy?
Yes, Grandpa, they're so fluffy.
Come, let's lead them to the barn.
Wow, the hills are so big. Look at all the sheep.
Yes, they are peaceful.
Can we get closer?
Of course, walk with me.
So fluffy.
They trust us.
Keep them moving steady now.
Yes, Grandfather.
Good lad. Watch the stragglers on the left.
I've got them.
What a beautiful evening.
It is, Grandpa.
I'm glad we came out.
Me too.
These are the best times.
I love you, Grandpa.
Look at them all. So peaceful.
There are so many sheep.
This is what the countryside is all about.
Can we get closer?
Isn't this sunset beautiful, son?
Yes, Grandpa, it's magical.
These moments are treasures.
I love you, Grandpa.
I love you too. Awake, my boy?
Yes, Grandpa. The fire is so warm.
It is. Just like our home.
Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Bye-bye!